Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making safety your first action. Verify the owner manual, a working CO detector, and that the gas supply is accessible. Once done, turn the gas valve to OFF, then to pilot, press and hold the control knob, and ignite the pilot with the igniter or a long match. Keep your face and hands back 1 to 2 feet. You want a controlled, visible flame. Make sure the pilot remains lit when you release the control, if it goes out. Repeat 2 more times with pauses. Once the pilot is stable, slowly turn the control knob to on and observe how the main burners ignite. You should adjust the flame height using the valve or regulator so flames touch the logs gently but do not create heavy smoke or soot. That balance preserves aesthetics and efficiency. Make sure any thermostat, wall switch, or remote is paired and responds. Test the blower on low then high. Also inspect venting paths and glass seals for drafts or buildup, because proper combustion needs steady airflow and clean surfaces. You finish by setting the thermostat or manual control to your preferred heat level. Monitor the first 15 minutes to confirm stable operation and no odors. Make routine maintenance part of the cycle: annual professional inspection, seasonal glass cleaning, and periodic vacuuming of logs and blower. If anything goes wrong, here's a key troubleshooting tip. When the pilot won't light, confirm the gas valve is open, replace batteries in the igniter or remote, and clear debris. If it still fails, stop and call a qualified technician for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.